This is an underrated yet a thrilling waterfall trek in the heart of the Sahyadri mountains. This is the Ganpati Gadad waterfall. This journey started in the cold night from Pune. I was feeling restless, and my excitement kept building for what was about to come. I kept on watching the roads stretched out in the dark, and suddenly it was morning, and I was in the base village of this trek, Sonawale. The remote beauty of this village made me feel like I was 20 years back in the time. After having a light breakfast in the village, we were heading towards the starting point of our trek. Views काफ़ी ज़्यादा scenic थे, and I was loving the monsoon breeze on my face. Just a 2 kilometer drive, and we were on the starting point, watching the mighty Sahyadri range. और बिना किसी देरी के, we just started trekking. Every step felt like stepping deeper into nature's heart. It was lush, it was green, and it was alive. हर 5 मिनट बाद एक रॉ वाइल्ड जंगल ट्रेल आ जाता. सूथिंग वाटर स्ट्रीम्स का साउंड और बारिश के बाद वो मिट्टी की खुशबू. एवरीथिंग वाज परफेक्ट. And after almost 2 hours of trek, we were at the Ganpati Gadad caves. The experience to reach the top of our trek was literally wild, but the real thrill was about to begin. I was about to rappel down from this mountain through this magnificent waterfall which was roaring in front of me. सच बताऊं तो थोड़ा डर तो लगा, but I was able to overcome it and kept going because it was the only way to reach to the bottom. The water was hitting my face. I leaned back and the rocks beneath me were slippery, gushing water all around me, and the rope was only my hope that I was holding on to. I hope you enjoyed this thrilling adventurous journey of mine, and I hope you create one for yourself as well. Until next time, I'll see you at the top.